Learn how to make a bunny drawstring bag with ears and a cute little pom-pom tail. Download the free pattern for this bag by following the link in the description below, and then you can follow along with my step-by-step instructions. To start with, you want to cut out 2 of the triangle pieces out of a heavy interfacing and apply them to the bottom corners of one of the bag pieces. This will be to help reinforce the grommets that we're going to use later on. Now let's move on to the ears. Apply interfacing to 2 of the bunny ears. Apply the lace to the other 2 bunny ears. Baste the lace to the bunny ears around the perimeter. Now you want to sew the rabbit ears together with right sides together. Then clip the curves and turn the ears to the right side. Now you want to fold the bunny ears and baste the ends. This will create that 3-dimensional bunny ear shape. Baste the ears to the top of one of your bottom bag pieces. Now we're going to prep the top of the bag. Clip the fabric 2 inches down from the top. Use the circle notation that I added to the pattern to help. Fold over the seam allowance to make a narrow hem at the top of the bag. Fold over the top to create a tunnel at the top of the bag that will be your drawstring casing. Now we want to attach the upper bag to the bottom bag with right sides together. So the bag top to the bag bottom, sandwiching the bunny ears. Then you want to repeat for the back of the bag. Press the top of the bag up to create a nice neat seam. Now you want to sew the front and back of the bag together. Make sure to finish the seam to prevent the bag from fraying over time. Clip the bottom corners of the bag and turn it to the right side. Now we're going to add the grommets to the bottom side of the bag. Make a line connecting points that are 2 inches in from the corners and sew. Poke a hole through the bag inside that triangle section. I used an awl to poke a hole and then a small scissors to enlarge the hole a little bit so I could fit the grommet through. Now you want to insert a grommet into each hole. Grommets are made of 2 pieces, so there'll be the front piece and then that little flat washer that goes on the back. Insert the front through the hole and then place the washer on the back so that they're sandwiching the fabric. Now you want to press the front and the back together. I highly recommend using a grommet presser for this. I find it to be way easier than any other method that I've tried. But there are many ways of inserting grommets into fabric, so choose whatever way that you prefer. Once your grommets are set, it's time to add our little white pom-pom to the bottom of the bag. This will be the little bunny tail. And then we want to insert this string through the casing. You need 2 pieces of string, and they need to go all the way around through both casings. So one string you'll insert through the left side, thread it all the way around so it comes back out the left, and then the other will start on the right side and go all the way around so it comes back out the right. And then you want to thread both of the strings through the grommet holes and tie a big knot to hold them in place. And that's it, you're finished. You have your very own unique bunny tote bag.